Good morning, student. Now get ready for another lecture. And today we will teach you last chapter of Movement book and the chapter title name The Beggar. It is a story of a beggar who was actually lazy, who did not want to do anything in his life. He told lies to people to get alms. Alms means he got something that called bhik ya bhiksha, that called alms. So he told lie to get alms. And in this manner he was living his life. He was actually a good person, but some or other way he was started drinking. And due to that he became beggar. So sometime he told lie he was a teacher, and his school actually sent him out. Sometime he said that he was losing everything, that's why he became beggar. So in this manner he was making other story and start taking help from people, money. One day Sargai, the advocate, met him and caught him stealing, because other day he was become a teacher and said something, today he was some other. So he caught him and he was ready to send him to police. And in this manner he actually revealed everything, that how he became beggar, how he had a bad habit or addiction of alcohol. And then Sargai helped him and told him that come to me for work, I will provide you work. And he reached to advocate's house, and there he was given a work that was to chopping wood. Chopping यानी चीरना होता है, फाड़ना होता है, लकड़ियों को चीरने की ड्यूटी दी गई, chopping wood. And that was actually hard task, because he had no energy in his body and he was not able to chop a single wood. So the Olga, the lady servant, we can say maid of Sargai, advocate की जो maid थी, Sargai's maid, her name was Olga. She was a very tall and a very nice physical lady who had so energetic, and she started scolding him a lot. Every day he came to chop wood, but he chopped nothing, not a single wood, and get money. Everything Olga was doing and he was getting money. Sargai did not know about all the thing. He was unaware about the thing. He was thinking that beggar actually doing the work and he was getting money. And then very soon a transformation in the life of Luskov came. Luskov means beggar. Beggar's name was Luskov. Luskov actually transformed his life entirely because of Olga. She was helping a lot, and she was doing everything, whatever the work assigned to Luskov. And in this manner Luskov became a very nice person. He was getting other work also, not only chopping, dusting, cleaning and everything, like shifting furniture in the other houses. He was getting many work. In this manner he was living his life and he was earning his livelihood. Livelihood होता आजीविका, पैसे कमाने का तरीका. Livelihood, पैसे कमाना, जीवन जीना, जीवन व्यापन करना. और he was living in this manner. And one day Sargai the advocate told Luskov that I am giving you a chance to get some other work, which is very reputable work. As he knew very well that Luskov knew how to write nicely, writing was good, and he can do some other work like helping someone in writing letter, writing assignment. So he helped Luskov. Luskov reached there as the address given by Sergei. Sergei ने जो address दिया था, Luskov वहां पहुंच गया. He reached there and he was getting there a handsome amount every month. And it was good for him. His entire life changed. Seal silk cape, nice dresses. He became gentleman from tip to toe. And one day he met in the cinema hall to Sergei. Luskov's met to Sergei, advocate, and he was surprised to see him, the entire change he had in his life. And in this manner, he asked him that, yeah, you are changed a lot. What happened? And he was putting his back, patting his back, अपने आप को ही शाबाशी दे रहा है सरगाई कि yes, मेरी वजह से आप में चेंज आए. Actually, I am the person through whom you got that transformation. जो तुम्हारे अंदर जीवन में परिवर्तन आया है वो मेरी वजह से आया है. Who thought? Sergei. लस्कोव के बारे में सोच रहा है कि मैंने इसका जीवन बदल दिया. But actually the hidden story was something different. जब उसने पूछा कि तुम्हारे अंदर जो चेंज आया है वो सच में मेरी वजह से आया है, तो उसने कहा yes, you are the person whom I actually transformed. But the role of your Olga, maid, जो आपकी नौकरानी है, maid, she changed me a lot. और यहां से हम लेसन पकड़ सकते हैं. यहां से एक मोरल स्टोरी है इस चैप्टर की. द चैप्टर एक्चुअली गिविंग यू अ मोरल स्टोरी, एंड दैट मोरल स्टोरी इज बार बार फ्रिक्वेंटली, लगातार अगर हम किसी को स्कोल्ड करेंगे, किसी को डांटेंगे, तो उसमें दो परिवर्तन आ सकते हैं. या तो पूरी तरह बिगड़ जाएगा या पूरी तरह परिवर्तन आ जाएगा. दो चेंज होंगे उसके अंदर. और ये स्टोरी का मोरल मैसेज है, इस कहानी का मोरल मैसेज यही है, जिस तरह ओल्गा ने, द वे और ओल्गा स्कोल्ड Sergei, they scolded Luskov, and he forgot to take drink or alcohol. He lost his addiction. He gave up his addiction. Gave up होता है छोड़ देना, त्याग देना. तो gave up किया इसने अपना addiction. Addiction होता है अपना लत, नशा, और वो नशा उसका छूट गया. बार बार की प्रैक्टिस से बार बार हम जो काम करते हैं उसमें हम एक्सपर्ट बन जाते हैं. धीरे धीरे हमारे अंदर एक परफेक्टनेस आ जाती है, परफेक्शन बोलते हैं उसे, और वो टास्क उसने स्टार्ट कर दिया. तो सरगाई की जो मेड थी ओल्गा, शी प्लेड अ ग्रेट रोल इन चेंजिंग और ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द लाइफ ऑफ लस्कोव, बेगर. और वो बेगर एक बहुत अच्छा जेंटलमैन बन गया. ही बिकेम अ जेंटलमैन. सो नाउ लस्कोव रियलाइज्ड दैट ओनली ओल्गा, and she was the lady who played a great role in his life. So in this manner we can say that advocate realized that Olga played a great role in transforming the beggar to a gentleman. And this is the story of this chapter. This is the main point of this chapter. So we hope that you are living happily in your houses, keeping yourself fit and healthy, take good energetic food, and boost your immunity to be healthy and happy. Very soon we will meet you with next topic, and we will cover your entire courses through this mode, online classes. I hope you are enjoying. Thank you for cooperating us.